passengers, do you guys think that you reacted well, or do you think that you could have done things differently when there was an emergency on the Titanic?
I think we reacted well because I would have make the boat high enough for me to reach the top, so I can tell the other people what happened and tell them to get on the boat so they won't die and sink under the water because they couldn't breathe that way.
Okay, so
Let him jump in and then see if they answer your question.
So on this page, I think we did not react well because we were playing with ice. And if I was like one of these kids, I would like, why is there ice on the ship? And go like ask somebody important that's on the bus. I mean the ship, on the ship. And I would like warn everybody and say the ship is sinking.
You're so cool.
And I wouldn't take it as a joke like these kids playing soccer with ice. Area.
Jamie, how could they make it higher? How could they make the boat? I was going to say to see if they could make the boat high enough, or if they couldn't make the boat high. The third class passengers could be at the top, right? Yes. And tell them, and then I want some of them to tell them that this is not a joke. You really have to listen to it. This is not a joke. This is really important. I want y'all to listen to me.
See if anybody else on your team wants to jump in before you answer any more questions.
I just wanted to say that we do we need to do like a better job, like a job like the third class and the first class need to be like up like the third class instead,
They need to be up where?
Up on the boat, like higher in the boat.
That's almost like the same thing I said.
Talk more about the separation of the classes.
Like they need to be like higher up so they won't like die like down there.
Does anybody else want to jump in more about the classes?
Like Alon, when you said you want the third class to be up more, did you mean it by that you want them to be up by talking, being up there so they can leave too? Because like the first class and the second class, they got to leave more, and most of them lived because of the third class. Is that what you mean? Yeah.
I think we could have done a better job because on the page where we kicked the ice, I think that was a pretty bad idea because instead of playing it in a funny way, we should have played it seriously and like helping them put the ice back in the water and on page 22, I think I would have been a hero because I would have gone back to the boat and I would have warned the other people to get on the boat so that they could be saved. I think the
Carry on.
Jamie, that was kind.
When you said the boat should be higher, I agree because the third graders were on the bottom of the close to the bottom of the boat.
You're still cool.
They were on the bottom of the boat, and they could have sunk too. So I would
it was too much stuff on it, and it was a lot of classroom and then a lot of people, and then
Jordan, on the page that you're on, talk about what happened with the lifeboats and the passengers.
On the lifeboats, most of the passengers that died, like the children, in the woman, most of them that were on the top still, they didn't want to get on the lifeboats because it says in the text that the lifeboats were wobbly and it felt like they were about to flip over. And I agree with Paisley that I would have got at least a little more people on the lifeboats so that more people didn't have to die.
Awesome.
Like Jordan, like you said, why wouldn't they want to get on the lifeboat? Like when they said, no, I don't want to get on this lifeboat because
they said I didn't want to get on this lifeboat because they were scared that the lifeboat was about to tip over because it says the lifeboat seemed unsteady compared to the big ship.
our fifth grade said that on the picture that Jordan, like on the not page 22, 21, not 22. I forgot what that page was called. Page 21, I think it wasn't ready to play with the, if I was one of these guys and playing with ice, you should be really worried and go down to the crew or something. And that's what's wrong then take it real seriously than you was playing with icebergs, like iceberg playing soccer. That's what I want.
I will add on what Alon said because I will clearly say the same thing because
Josiah, go sit down.
on the same page Alon was like it was safer for them to think about what they could have listened, at least listen what somebody said. And then if they was lying, they could just go back onto the boat. But they was really telling the truth. So I hope that they didn't sink because I hope they listen what the crew or what the crew said.
Cool. All right, guys.
For me,
Last one, Lily. All right, last one, Lily.
When they're playing music, I don't think we should have done that because you would forget to get on the lifeboats. You would have sunk with the boat
Yeah, so that's like one more reason that they weren't taking it seriously, right?
for me being as a passenger, I would have worked with the crew because so I could help the third class and the people who were at the bottom help them get on the boats because they were at the bottom and they were gonna sink first before the second and first class. So I would have been on the crew side to help them.